Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to install Realtek audio drivers on Windows 11 and 10. So let's get started. The first you will have to do is to go to your browser and now search for www.realtek.com. Once in here, on the top left hand side you'll see three lines. Click on it. And now here you'll see downloads. Click on it and now you'll see computer peripherals ICS. Make sure to open it up. Now in the product line you'll see a drop down menu. Click on it and now choose PC audio codecs. Now you'll get an option to choose a subcategory. Make sure to choose high definition audio codecs. Now make sure to choose the one you see at the top as it is the latest version, and now click on software. Now here we need to click on 64-bit Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. And this will work with Windows 11 as well. Now click on the download icon on the left hand side. Now click on I accept to the above and now write your email and download this file. Now enter the captcha and click on go. Now the .exe file will be downloaded. Open it up and it will install the drivers, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.